Hey guys, welcome to Around the World. I'm Erik, and in this video I'd like to show you how to watch 360 videos on a mobile phone or a tablet. 360 videos are getting more and more popular, but if you don't know how to watch them, you're missing out a huge part of the deal. So let me explain to you how it works on mobile. And if you're on a desktop or laptop computer, I've made a separate video for you, which you can find right here. So let's jump right into it. When you download the YouTube app on your mobile phone or tablet, and you open up a 360 video within that application, you notice instantly that the video starts moving as soon as you move your phone. The experience even becomes better when you turn your phone so the video becomes full screen. So it's no more than just keep your phone in front of you and start looking around. And if you get dizzy by all the spinning, or when there are too many expensive faces around which you can break, then just go sit in a spinning chair and you'll be fine. But when you're not in a position to move around with your phone freely, then try swiping. The experience also works better when the video is full screen. Just click on the button, wait for the icons to disappear, and move around freely. And the third way to watch your 360 videos on your mobile phone, if you want to get really fancy, try using a Google Cardboard or any other device that helps keeping your phone in front of you. It's really simple. Just push the icon, the VR glass icon, just at the bottom here, so the video gets divided in a left and right version, and so you can even watch the video in 360 3D. Get a Google Cardboard, they really come in all sorts and sizes. Unfold it, put the phone where it belongs, close it, and enjoy. And if you don't have a Google Cardboard or any other VR phone holder yet, I'll put some links down below where you can find them. It really doesn't have to be expensive, and it's a great way to be fully immersed inside a 360 video. It really transforms you from the place where you're at to the place where the video is shot. So I hope it helped. Let me know if you have any questions by leaving a comment below, and if you like traveling in 360 degrees, then don't forget to subscribe. For now, thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you around.